How to reset Fantasy Premier League account's password. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Official Help Text. Now let's get started. Open your Premier League app. Here we go. You will land to this kind of page. Now at the bottom you'll find this option of login. Tap on it. From here you can easily type in the credentials associated with your Premier League account to log in. As you want to reset your Premier League account's password, tap on this option of forget password. You will be directed to this kind of page. Now over here you have to type in the email address that is linked with your Premier League account. After you type in the email address, tap on the option of reset my password. Now you will be receiving mail from Premier League, so close this and open up your mail. At the very top you can see that Premier League has sent me the mail. You will also receive similar mail. You have to open that mail. Now in the mail you will find the option of change password. Tap on it. Tap on accept all cookies. Now over here type in new password for your account. Confirm your password. Make sure your password includes at least 8 characters, a mix of uppercase and lowercase characters, at least one number and at least one special character. After you type in the password, tap on the option of change my password. Password reset complete. So this is how you can easily reset Fantasy Premier League account's password. Now you can easily log into your Premier League account. If this video was helpful to you, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.